How to stop bad thoughts from troubling your mind. Without doubt, bad thoughts should not have any place in our life. They are bad, as simple as that. They should not be encouraged and entertained at any cost. However, they are an unavoidable thing. So what's the way out? Here are some simple ways that can stop bad thoughts from troubling you. Understanding life. First of all, we should understand the basic concept of life from a spiritual angle. What is it? It's actually a transitory phase. It's just an experience. It's not real. Hence, the thoughts too are fleeting. They will come and go. Whatever we may experience in this life, good or bad, may not last beyond a few moments. So what's the point in thinking about it? Is it really worth it? What we should think when bad thoughts storm our mind is whether it is worth entertaining these thoughts for something that is not even real. Whatever might happen, we should continue enjoying having this experience because that's our task. Keep going. Most of us have failed at something or the other. The good part is that how you manage to pick up the pieces of your broken life and move forward. Difficult phase. Indeed, it's difficult to carry yourself forward when failure hits you. All types of bad thoughts, feelings of not good for anything rattle your mind. You feel like giving up there and then. But if you can pick yourself up and move ahead, you haven't failed, you have won. Try to learn. The best way to avoid bad thoughts is to try to find a lesson from the bad experience that's triggering those bad thoughts. If you are focusing on learning, you will not entertain the bad thoughts. Check what you are lacking. More often than not, we fail because we are not ready or have the adequate skills, strength or maturity to handle the situation had we succeeded. So when bad thoughts approach you, try to find out what's lacking in you. Is it even right to be chased? Sometimes God rejects our idea because it's not good for us. The situations and conditions force us to not get what we want. Instead of entertaining bad thoughts, try to find out whether the objective should be pursued at all or is there something better awaiting us. Is my method right? Sometimes our approach is not right. We meet failure just because we were not doing it the correct way. Instead of bad thoughts, we should try to find out what's the best course to be followed. No room. So in retrospect, there is actually no room for bad thoughts in one's life. We should instead try to figure out what's the lesson in that particular bad thought. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.